In this tutorial, we will show you how to use AssistiveTouch and customize it as per your requirement. To enable AssistiveTouch, you need to enable it. Go to Setting, and then select Accessibility, and then you can select Touch. Then, make sure the AssistiveTouch is turned on by tap on it, and then you can toggle the switch on. You can customize AssistiveTouch by adding your frequently used action to it. To do this, after you enter the AssistiveTouch menu, you can tap on Customize Top Level menu. From here, you can add or remove action as per your requirement. If you want to add function, you can tap the plus icon and then tap again on the plus icon and select your function. For example, I'm going to choose device. After you select, you can tap done here. If you want to add one more function, you can tap again on the plus icon and then tap on the plus icon again, and then you can select the other function. For example, I'm going to choose home. Then I tap done. If you want to remove the function, just simply tap the minus icon here. Then the function will be removed from the AssistiveTouch. To use AssistiveTouch, simply tap on the floating AssistiveTouch button on your iPhone screen when you already activate the AssistiveTouch here. You will see a list of actions that you have already added before. You can tap on the action you want to perform and it will be executed automatically. For example, I choose the screenshot. Then it will be screenshot the screen on your iPhone. You can also adjust the transparency of the AssistiveTouch button to make it easier to see and interact with. To adjust the transparency of the AssistiveTouch, you come to the AssistiveTouch menu and you can see the idle opacity. You can tap on it. You can slide to the right or slide to the left to adjust the opacity of your AssistiveTouch. In addition to customizing the top level menu, you can also create a secondary menu that appears when you activate the AssistiveTouch. How to do this? You tap on Customize Top Level menu and then you can tap on Device here. When you tap on Device, you tap Done and then you try to tap on your AssistiveTouch. You can tap on Device, and after you tap on Device, you can see there are another menu here like lock screen, like screenshot, SOL, shake, and etc. You can use AssistiveTouch to perform common functions such as opening the control center, adjusting the volume, or accessing the app switcher. To use AssistiveTouch to perform common functions such as opening the control center, you go to Setting and then General, Accessibility, and then AssistiveTouch. Then, when you on the AssistiveTouch, you can tap on Customize Top Level menu, and then you can tap on the plus icon here, and then tap again on the plus icon here, and you're looking for the control center. Then you tap down and then you try to tap on your AssistiveTouch and you can have a control center menu. When you tap on it, it will be automatically go to the control center of your iPhone. AssistiveTouch can be used also to lock the screen, which is useful if you have difficulty pressing the physical lock button. Customize to top level menu and then tap on the plus icon here and then you can tap on the plus here and then you can choose the lock screen. After that, you can tap down. Then you can tap on your AssistiveTouch and then you can tap on lock screen. Then your screen of your phone will be locked after you tap on it. You can also create a custom action. AssistiveTouch can be used to simulate the home button, which is useful if the physical home button is not working properly. You can use Assistive Touch to access Siri without having to press and hold the home button. You can also use Assistive Touch to take a photo or start recording a video without having to press the physical button on your iPhone. Just tap on plus and then you can tap on camera. When you select camera, you tap down and you can tap on Assistive Touch and then tap on camera to enter the camera mode for taking a video or taking photo. You can also use Assistive Touch to perform a hard reset on your device by tapping device and then tapping more, and then you can select tap restart here. If you have difficulty holding your iPhone with one hand, you can use Assistive Touch to perform functions such as scrolling or swiping with just one finger. You can use Assistive Touch to create a custom action that activate the voice control feature on your iPhone. Assistive Touch can be used to perform a wide range of other functions such as adjusting the brightness, inverting color, or opening the magnifier app. Assistive Touch can be used in conjunction with Siri to perform voice command without having to use physical button on the iPhone. To use Assistive Touch with Siri, first you should enable Siri in Setting. You can open the Setting app. After on the setting, you can tap on Siri and search here. Then when you have the Assistive Touch menu open, you can tap and hold the home button icon until Siri activates. You can then speak your command. You can also create a shortcut for taking a screenshot using Assistive Touch. To do this, you can select Custom and then tap Screenshot, or maybe you can tap on Device and then you can tap More and then you can tap on Screenshot. You can now take screenshot by tapping the Assistive Touch button and selecting the screenshot icon. If you have multiple iPhone or iPad, you can use Assistive Touch to control them all from a single device. Simply enable the Assistive Touch feature on each device, then connect them via Bluetooth. To control multiple devices using Assistive Touch, first pair them via Bluetooth, then on each device you go to Setting, and then tap General or Accessibility, and then you tap on Touch, and then Assistive Touch, and toggle the switch to enable it. The devices should now be able to control each other using Assistive Touch. You can also customize the vibration feedback for different actions in Assistive Touch. This can be helpful for those with limited hearing, as it provides tactile feedback to confirm that an action has been performed. To customize the vibration feedback for different actions, you can go to the Accessibility option and then tap the Vibration Feedback option here. And from here, you can choose a different vibration pattern for each action. Assistive Touch can also be used to simulate a pinch gesture, which can be useful for zooming in or zooming out on an image. To stimulate a pinch gesture, you can use Assistive Touch. First, go to Setting, and then select Accessibility, and then select Touch. Assistive Touch. From here, you can scroll down and you can create a gesture that simulates a pinch by drawing two circles on the screen. If you find that the Assistive Touch button is getting in the way, you can move it to a different location on the screen. Simply tap and hold on the button, then drag it to a new location. Assistive Touch has some advanced tips and tricks that can help you get even more out of this powerful gesture. For example, you can use the gesture option to create custom gesture for shortcut. You can also use the Accessibility shortcut option to quickly toggle common setting. The back tap option allows you to trigger action by double or triple tapping the back of your iPhone. Finally, you can use the accessibility option to adjust the Assistive Touch menu appearance and behavior. That is, guys, you now know how to use iPhone Assistive Touch. With this feature, you can perform action on your iPhone with a single touch. Try it out and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!